In Sloka 11, Lord Krishna says, by sacrifice, because he is talking about yajna now. So by sacrifice, the celestial gods will be pleased. So these celestial gods are created by Supreme God, Bhagavan. And these devatas are in charge of managing the resources in the universe. Like Varuna, God Varuna and Agni and Vayu. So we have got the deities for each. And we worship them. We thank them. We celebrate Pongal festival to thank Sun God. So while worshipping these devatas, we are worshipping the Supreme God. This is what we have been following. Our ancestors followed and we are following it. So we have got these devatas who have got power for certain period. And the power is granted by Bhagavan. They administer the affairs of universe. So the devotion is very important. So when we please them with devotion, when we worship them with devotion, they bestow, these devatas bestow material prosperity to us. So we should do yajnas for these devatas. To please them, we have to do it. In returns, they help us to flourish, prosper on the universe. So there is a good cooperation, good understanding developed. So this is to tell us how we should believe that we are all interdependent. So we should respect each other and we should treat everyone equally. This is a beautiful message we get from this sloka. So God has created everyone. So there should be a equality. So we cannot live alone. And our life is made in such a way that we are all interdependent. So we should understand the value of others. So we should treat them with respect and we should live along with them. So that coexisting is developed. So this sloka gives us how to make a good surrounding, how to be peaceful or how to be friendly with people around you. So if you serve high ideal, the high ideal will serve us back. So this is a very important message we get from this sloka. So whatever work we do, even it is small, still we should have God in our mind and do it. And thanking the devatas, Andal has explained this through her pasuram, one of the pasurams in Tirupavai. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi, Nangal Nambavaki Chat Neeradinal, Thingindri Nadalam, Tingal Mummari Pedi, the rain. Ongu Perun Chennal Wood Kayalagala, the paddy field. Pungu Valai Podil Purivanda Kanpadapa, the bees, they get this honey. So there are flowers, so they get nectar from them. Tengade Pukir and the Chitta Malay Patri Vanga Kodam Nerekum Valal Pasakal. So the cows are well fed in the greenery, green field, and they provide more and more unlimited quantity of milk. So that develops prosperity. So here she is explaining how the nature helps us to flourish in our life. How nature helps us to make wealth. How it helps us to be in prosperity. So it is very important to please them, please the nature, thank them and worship them. So the life is interdependent.